Customize how you would like to organize Cost Plus invoices to add clarity for your customer. Here in my Cost Plus job, I have bills and expenses recorded, as well as some time tracked against the job. Now I'd like to pass these costs onto my customer in an invoice. We'll create the invoice by clicking plus document on the top right. Now we'll choose our Customer Invoice document template. The next screen allows us to choose if we want to include our budget items on the invoice or if we want to include bills and time. Most Cost Plus contractors will choose bills and time. Here we will see all of the bills and time entries logged for this job. Use the time frame and status filters on the left to locate specific records that you'd like to include. Let's select some of our bills and time entries by clicking on the checkbox next to the record. Now we can choose how we'd like our bills and time organized on our invoice. By default, the records will be grouped by bill and time dates. However, you can change this to group by cost code, cost type, or any cost item custom fields. Let's group by cost type. Next, you can choose how you'd like your items sorted within their groups. Would you like the items sorted with the newest records on top and the oldest records on the bottom? Or would you rather sort the records from oldest to newest? Let's look at the next setting options. The first toggle allows you to match the time entries to the unit cost and price that's shown on your original customer order or proposal. If this is toggled off, then the invoice will display the employee's burdened hourly rate. Lastly, you can automatically include file attachments, such as receipts and vendor invoices, to this invoice. Toggle on the option to copy bill files. This will copy the files attached to the bills right on this invoice. When you're ready, click Create. Notice that your bills and time are listed on the invoice. The records are grouped and sorted by your chosen settings. If you'd like to display additional details to your customer, click the little eyeball icon next to the record to display the item level details. Now, a single bill may be split between more than one group if it was reconciled to multiple cost items. For example, we see that the plumbing and heating bill right here is listed in both materials and the subcontractor cost types. Also, any bills that had file attachments will show the thumbnails of those files, and they are each clickable by the document recipients to view them in a larger format. Finally, use the toggles on the right to customize how you'd like your customer to pay for this invoice. Now let's go ahead and send this to our customer. Of course, we can edit the email message as needed, and then we'll click Send. Now your customer can review the invoice, view the attachments, and pay directly through JobTread. If you have any questions, please reach out to your customer success manager or email support@jobtread.com.